Did you know a tiny seed can revolutionize your weight loss journey? Imagine eating something so small yet so powerful that it boosts your energy, cuts your cravings, and helps you shed those stubborn pounds. Stay with me to discover this secret superfood and how it can change your life. Hi, I'm here to bring you practical science-backed tips for a healthier you. Today we're diving into a miracle seed that's been a staple in ancient diets but is now making waves in modern weight loss. Chia seeds. Get ready to unlock the power of this nutrient-packed food and see how easy it is to incorporate it into your daily routine. Let's start with a little history. Chia seeds were first cultivated in Central and South America and were a dietary staple of Aztec warriors. Why? Because they provided long-lasting energy and sustained their strength during long journeys. Fast forward to today. Science confirms what these warriors already knew. Chia seeds are more than just a trendy health food. They're a powerhouse of nutrition. Packed with fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential minerals like selenium and calcium, they're the ultimate addition to a healthy lifestyle. Now, let's talk about how chia seeds can help with weight loss. Here are 5 science-backed ways they work wonders. High fiber content. With 34 grams of fiber per 100 grams, chia seeds absorb water and expand in your stomach, making you feel full longer and reducing overeating. Rich in protein. Chia seeds are a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. This reduces hunger and curbs those late-night cravings. Blood sugar regulation. Chia seeds stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing fat storage and keeping you energized. Low in calories, high in nutrients. Despite being calorie-light, they're nutrient-dense, giving you the best of both worlds. Boosts hydration. Chia seeds absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, keeping you hydrated and supporting better metabolism. And let's not forget omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats help your body burn fat more efficiently and support overall metabolic health. Now that we know how amazing chia seeds are, let me show you 2 easy and delicious ways to include them in your diet. Berry chia breakfast. Pudding. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons chia seeds, 1 cup almond milk, or any plant-based milk, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 cup mixed berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, 1 tablespoon crushed almonds. Recipe: mix chia seeds, almond milk, and honey in a bowl. Stir well and refrigerate overnight. By morning, the chia seeds will have absorbed the liquid, creating a pudding-like texture. Top with mixed berries and crushed almonds for a delicious and nutritious start to your day. Chia lemon detox water. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 glass of water, juice of 1-2 lemon, a pinch of Himalayan salt. Recipe: soak chia seeds in water for 10-15 minutes. Add lemon juice and Himalayan salt. Stir well and enjoy this refreshing drink before meals to curb your appetite and boost hydration. Chia seeds are a simple, affordable, and effective addition to your weight loss journey. But remember, weight loss is not about quick fixes. It's about building sustainable, healthy habits. So why not start small? Add a tablespoon of chia seeds to your breakfast or your water and watch the difference it makes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to help you live your healthiest life. Drop a